In Malaysia, the Certificate of Incorporation proves your company is officially registered. It's issued by the Companies Commission of Malaysia, also known as SSM. The certificate includes your company name, registration number, incorporation date, legal type, address, and share capital. This certificate is like your company's ID card. It shows your business is legal and ready to operate in Malaysia. Step 1. Submit your proposed company name to SSM. They will approve the name if it's unique and acceptable. Next, prepare all required documents. This includes your company constitution, director information, and shareholding details. Submit your documents online, through the MyCoID system, or over the counter at SSM. SSM reviews the documents. If everything is in order, they'll approve the registration. Once approved, SSM will issue your Certificate of Incorporation. You'll also receive a Notice of Registration. Need help? Here are answers to the most common questions about your incorporation certificate. Let professionals handle the process. 3E Accounting can help you register your company and secure your Certificate of Incorporation quickly and correctly.